Welcome to StackCircuit. In this video, we're walking through a Flutter Spreadsheet application built for desktop platforms. Let's see what it offers. The app features a clean, responsive grid layout with interactive rows and columns, similar to traditional spreadsheet tools. Each cell supports essential text styling options like bold, italic, and strikethrough, along with text alignment options, left, center, and right. You can also customize both the background color and the text color of each cell to better organize and highlight your data. The spreadsheet supports flexible interactions, full row and full column selection with a single click. A quick way to select all cells. And multi-cell selection using Command or Ctrl plus click, great for making bulk changes. It includes row and column pinning, allowing you to freeze headers or key sections while scrolling. There's also support for row sorting, so you can reorder data based on column values. Need layout control? Just drag to resize rows and columns to fit your data and viewing preferences. This application delivers a native feeling, smooth desktop experience, all built entirely with Flutter. If you found this project interesting, let me know in the comments. I'd love to create a detailed tutorial breaking it down step by step. And if you enjoyed the walkthrough, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to StackCircuit for more interesting content and real-world app tutorials. Thank you for watching.